around 220. Can't wait to get my CSF radiator in. I ordered a CSF high performance radiator for the C6. It's supposed to be designed by A&A, so can't wait to get that thing in. I'm pretty sure it'll take it back down to where my temps used to be before the blower. The blower really has put in a lot of heat. So 93 degrees. Yeah, it is pretty warm out here, but a lot of that is because that temperature sensor is down there by the intercooler. So that intercooler is getting warm. It's kind of blocking some of the flow to the radiator. I have these little guards that go around, but I mean, that radiator's only getting so much air, and it's only so big where it can only do so much. So that extra thickness of the radiator is going to help out a ton. So really can't wait to get that in. Oh, and by the way, this airbag light, I don't know why that's on. I think it just come on the other day. So I let my buddy sit in this car, and he's a bigger guy. I mean, he's 6'1", 6'2", 300 something pounds. And I'm not sure when we moved the seat if it might have messed with the plug or whatnot, but definitely gonna have to look into that and see why that airbag light's on. On the fence about a supercharger for your Vette, this is why you need to get one. Just that little sound coming around town, oh man, it sounds so freaking good. Let's do it one more time. Sounds rowdy, man. And the thing is, like, it makes decent power, but it's not like stupid fast. It just sounds nasty. Looks like I need to stop and get some gas. I'm gonna see if I can make it up here to Buc-ee's. Look at this. Averaging about 40 something miles per gallon, going 80 miles an hour. 81 up there on the heads-up display. At 2,000 RPM. I mean, you gotta love a Vette. I mean, this thing, what is this thing averaging? Averaging 24.3. That's what me ripping on it too. So, almost 700 horsepower. That's pretty freaking good. But with the big injectors and the big fuel pump, she still likes fuel. She likes fuel a lot. So let's try to see if we can make it up here to Buc-ee's, get some gas, probably end the video off because I don't have my head mount. Next time I get my head mount, I'm gonna do a really cool night drive video or a video to Cars and Coffee. But let's make it up here to Buc-ee's, show you guys around under the gas station lights, and we'll probably end it off there. All right, guys, we made it. So if you guys have a Buc-ee's, this is the best time to come at night. If you come during the day, you are not fixing to stand around a fuel pump. I mean, there'll be people freaking everywhere. But Buc-ee's always got the good gas prices, good diesel prices too, because I got a diesel truck. Right now, looking at $3.49 for diesel, $3.75 for 93. Not too bad. 93 ethanol free is $4.19. Not too shabby. But anyways, guys, that's just go like a little cruise. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I don't have my head mounts, so there ain't really too much I can do. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see next. That'll do it. Peace.